looks matter because it actually affects many aspects of our life. Be it our relationships, be it our job, okay, be it how people perceive us, okay. I remember watching an interview ni Beauty Gonzalez. Tapos sabi niya na important daw sa kanya yung gwapo na partner. Kasi nga, paggising mo ng umaga, that's the person you're gonna see. Okay? Every single morning. Yun yung taong makikita mo. Every day. Sa breakfast, dinner. People might say na, no, looks don't matter. Yung ugali. Okay. Pang plastic, di ba? Bakit may FHM? Bakit sumikat ang Instagram models? Bakit sumikat ang Victoria's Secret models? Because people are visual creatures. Okay. Sa work, pag nag apply ka, bakit lagi mo nakikita ang pleasing personality? Bakit lagi mo nakikita yung pleasing personality? Eh, yun ang kailangan, especially, imagine mo, nga-applyan mo, cabin crew ka. Mag-a-apply ka as a cabin crew, tapos you will cater to foreign and local travelers. Siyempre maghahanap yung airline ng may itsura, 'di ba? So I'm not saying that looks is everything because if you are my follower, you know that I'm someone who advocates brains. Okay. But looks is the easiest thing you can actually improve. So it's the easiest thing that you can improve as a person. Okay. I'm lucky to have met friends and have been friends, been acquainted to really good looking as people as well. And it has motivated me a lot to improve on my physicalities. I mean, as a person, no, it has a huge impact. Magaganda din kasi yung mga naging kaibigan ko, especially uh, nung when I was working kahit sa corporate, sa ESL, may mga ganyan sila guys. So magaganda ang legs, magaganda ang face, may mga itsura din talaga yung mga naging friends ko. And I was also quite lucky na now that I'm doing the podcast, no, I'm able to apply a lot of learnings that I've also learned in the past. Even with the my own glow up, which my followers saw my improvements as the years go by that I'm doing the podcast. Okay. Kasi hindi naman matatapos dito yung improvement ko. Makikita nyo pa yung improvement ko as the years go by. See?